Very excited, like a child in a toy store, yeah.
Doing connections, exchange numbers, meeting new people, and that all nerd about the same world. It's quite fun.
So the best thing is that we get to see in person our suppliers and also our potential clients, right? So here is a meeting point. As a meeting point is perfect.
Me personally, it's also important to know the people I'm working with, because then it's easier.
Building those relationships and then obviously getting a good understanding of what technologies are currently coming or in circulation and upcoming.
I'm going a lot of time just like hopping from booth to booth and see what's available.
Yeah, I'll definitely be here next year. I've been coming for the last 5 years, so I'll definitely be around.
You need a lot of time, especially if you're actually doing questions and talking to people and figuring out. So I might come earlier next year to have more time for more questions.
So maybe I come with an own booth.